for calculating the beam, we'll take the tributary area of the middle beam we have. So we have the 6 meter, we calculated the dead and imposed load, and we have 18 kilonewton per square meter. We're going to use that load in information into our design. So in project level, you also have basics of project management here. So you can also, when you calculate something, you can assign to colleagues. You can invite other users, start some discussion about some issues you encounter. And also you can add calculator or even calculator groups, so you can sort it by levels. In this case, we'll just add a timber beam. We'll name it GLT beam B101, and we'll create this calculator. So we'll, at the start, we'll select firstly the material type, the grades, and the section. So you can switch between GLT, LVL, and solid timber. So you have option even for checking different materials. And now also with a specific supplier, or if you onboarded them manually with the enterprise customer, that's something that will pop up here. For the grades, we can start with GL248C. We can start the design by 320 by 620. And we can see if this is something that we can proceed with. We have immediate information about the section view, and we can continue with design. So for the design methodologies, I'll quickly select the same inputs as we have on the CLT floor. For the loading case, I'll keep most of the things as it was on the previous design. I'll just, the self weight is already considered, and I type in 18 and 18 kilonewton per meter. And we'll go to the analysis part. We have simply supported, we have 8 meter span, and we also have introduced an option for the shear deformation. So from the previous release, we now have an option for even more precise consideration of the shear deformation. And if for some reason you don't want that to be included, you can select it through this menu. We'll keep it as it is for now. Deflection data is something that we'll also keep as it is. And the last part is concerning some of the coefficients for Eurocode, and also a requirement for the K-crit. So in this case, we'll select no, and we'll take it as 1, because we have the beam is laterally supported with the CLT panel above continuously. We can see that in this case, our section is not appropriate, so we'll increase it to more. So we can start with 680 to see if this is something that pass. No. So we'll increase even more. So we can start with 360, and we'll increase even more the height. So hopefully this is something that is right. Yeah. So it's practically maximum utilization for the deflection, and we can quickly go through the properties if we want to see some of the information here. Annexes, this should be same as we have on the floors. Loading code, so you can see all the governing load combination, analysis, deflection, design data. So we'll not spend too much time on the results here, because we have other calculations we're going to take through. We're going to click save and jump back to our next member designs.